Hey y'all, what's up? So I have been like MIA. I know, I'm like, do I want to do YouTube? I don't freaking know. But anyways, let me show you all what I got for Valentine's Day. So I got this orchid, which if anybody knows me, like, I love plants. I love plants, like I love them. So anywho, my husband got me this orchid, which is really pretty. He was like, just so you know, these orchids are not from Schnucks. If y'all know, Schnucks is a grocery store here in St. Louis. He's like, these are flower shop orchids. Because I like to see stuff grow, y'all. You talking? You talking? Now she quiet. Oh, you funny acting. We about to head out real quick. We just gotta it would be nice to go out to eat, but y'all know it's gonna be crazy tonight trying to go out to eat. But we gotta go take care of some business. Just real quick. Run. She is sleepy. I also got something, like Chris got me stuff. Like, I cried, y'all. I know, like, I'm not the type that's like, oh my gosh, and I get something and I cry, but like I really cried because he just got me something that was like really thoughtful, like really sweet, and like it brought us back down memory lane. So yeah, don't laugh. One thing he got me was a Powerade. So when we was dating, we used to work together. That's how we met. And I remember we worked at this Valentine across the street from a Walgreens, and so he ran over there and he was like, you know, what do you want? And I said, give me a Powerade, anything but blue. So yeah, he go over there, he like excited because he's like courting me at this point, you know. He all excited, and then he come back across the street, he got the Powerade, like, hey. And then I'm like, I said anything but blue, and it's a blue Powerade in his hand. He was like, oh. So like we always like bring that up. So he got me the blue Powerade. And then also when we was working together, I remember one time he was like, what did you have for lunch? Yeah, and we met when we was teenagers. I said, I ate some dark chocolate and some dried prunes. Yeah, I have always ate very weird. So he got me some dark chocolate and some dried prunes. Yeah, I'm telling y'all, like, I know he was like, what the heck, this girl is so weird, but like I like stuff like this. Like, I like the way prunes taste, and it has a lot of fiber. It's good for you, especially this is a good brand. I didn't have this brand back in the day, but he got me that. And yeah, I have been doing a 30-day vegan challenge, but really like I've been eating a vegan diet. But then like sometimes if I go to work, if it's something that I want to eat, not really like cheese pizza or anything like that, but like if it's like a pastry, I'll eat it if I feel like it. But so I haven't been fully vegan, but for the most part I have, like at home. I'm not like too like crazy about it, you know what I'm saying? Like, I'm not like, oh my gosh, I gotta be like into the label. But anyways, this has like milk fat in it. So, and then something else he got me, which I already ate it, like most of it. He got me some Rally's fries and a milkshake. So when we was dating, also he was like, I'm about to go to Rally's, you want to come with me? So we both took our break together and we went up to Rally's, and that's what I asked for. I asked for some medium fries, and I asked for a vanilla and strawberry milkshake. And he was like he was like, oh man, she must not be this. He told me like he was thinking in his head like, oh, she must not be able to afford to get a like a burger or whatever. He was like he's like, yeah, she just started working there, so she probably ain't got, you know, because he had already been working at the job and I had came in after him or whatever. So he's like, oh yeah, she probably ain't got the money to pay for it yet, you know, da 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 da, yada yada. So he had asked me if I wanted a burger, and I was like, no, I don't eat meat. So that was the first time he noticed like I don't eat meat. He was like, oh, okay, this girl is different. So yeah, that's what he got me. And like I cried. I don't know why, because I really wasn't expecting anything. Like we just been with the baby, just like we do stuff for holidays and stuff like that, but it's just like we do stuff sporadically throughout the year anyways. Like Chris does stuff for me throughout the year anyway, so I'm not huge on like, oh, I need to get something for Valentine's Day. I'm just not. Even though our first date was Valentine's Day, I told y'all that. And quiet as it's kept, honey, I told y'all that this is a minute ago. I told y'all that I think that Madison was conceived around Valentine's Day. So based off of her birthday and everything. So yeah, he had so I was just like, you know, whatever, it's another day, we just together as a family. And I'm gonna cook something for him tonight, whatever he want. Well, I cook every night, but I'm gonna cook whatever he wants tonight. But so I wasn't really like, yo, it's just another day. So when he had said he had to go out and do something for his dad, but then when he came in, he knocked on the door, he's like, delivery. I'm like, what the heck? So I go to the door and it's him, and I was just crying, yeah, because I just like, oh, that's just so sweet. Like, it's just thoughtful, just thinking and looking back, like me and this man have like been grown, like we grew up together. Like when you think about it, like I met him when we was both 19, the same age. We went to work together, like, and it's just like now we have a whole child. We've been married for 6 years. Like, it's just, it's crazy, you know, to be in a real relationship. Now, not to say that just because if you get flowers and, you know, cards and candies and jewelry and stuff like that, you're not in a real relationship. But it's just like, just to be with somebody that knows you and who been through a lot. We've been through a lot together, and we have like grown so much together. And it's just, and then, you know, sometimes you be thinking a certain way or whatever the case may be, and then, you know, the person you love do something that's just so thoughtful and sweet. So I cried a little bit. I shed a little tear because I was just thinking like, oh, this man, he loved me, like he know me. And like, I'm not, like I said, I'm not the type of person that needs to have all this crazy stuff, but it's just like, just thinking about the memories of us being together all these years is just so sweet. So that's that, y'all. I have been a little like about doing videos. Let me show y'all the baby, because I'm like, I don't really know if people watch. Well, I know people are watching, but I was just like, I don't really know like what's coming of my videos, like what direction it's going in or what I should do, because I've been doing mommy videos, but I used to do hair videos and I was doing food videos, so I kind of felt like lost. Like I didn't really know what to post. I didn't really know. But I was just like, you know, maybe because I was looking at it as like a business, if you will. So maybe I'll just look at it as something to do, like something fun to do. And then my Your Fave Nurse B video. So you should go watch that. It's for anybody who's into nursing or healthcare. So I'll treat that more of like a professional channel, and this is just me like doing whatever I want to do type of channel, like, you know what I'm saying? So thank you all for joining us on the ride, little Madison. I'll show y'all her outfit later. She gonna go to sleep, I know she is. So yeah, thank you all for like just sticking with me and us and all that jazz. Okay, things have just been a little not crazy. It's just I've been going back to work, and I'm in school, and I'm with the baby, and I'm doing my channels and everything, and so I'm just transitioning into that. And my mom, every year she would get us something for Valentine's Day. I thought that was so cute. I can't wait to do that for Madison. Like, my mom was really into holidays. Like every Easter she would get us like she would make a huge basket for us, and then Valentine's Day she would get us stuff. I think she got us something this year too. She asked me to come down there and get something from her house. But every year she get me and Chris these like cups. Like one year she got us this cup that says her better half, and then I got one that says his better half, which I cannot find. I think Chris broke it, y'all, because Chris has this thing about breaking cups, and I have this freaking thing about breaking plates. I don't know what the hell it is, but this year we gonna keep everything intact. Okay, we're not gonna follow that same trajectory. All right, so I am making Chris a red velvet cake from scratch. Everything's gonna be from scratch, the cake as well as the icing. So this is one cake that Chris loves, and it's like one of those things that I have perfected over the years of us being married. Like, I know how to make it really, really well. So yeah, I've made it a lot throughout the years, like to the point where I actually took the time to print it out and like put it in one of my plastic sleeves. So yeah, I make this I don't make it a lot, maybe like once a year maybe. And yeah, he really loves this freaking cake. So I'm getting everything ready for that. Typically what I do is I'll put down like some newspaper, like, you know, when you get junk mail, I'll put down some newspaper because the red dye can stain like your surfaces. I mean, it comes out eventually, but it can stain it. But I threw out my junk mail, so this is what I'm just gonna use, like an old towel. So I'm gonna make that for him. Baby girl is being relaxed for now. You chilling? Waiting on her daddy. He went out and got pizza for us. So like, yeah, I'm really excited to eat some pizza, y'all. Y'all know I've been doing this vegan for a minute, for like, since like a week before Christmas. So yeah, I'm gonna do this, make this. Oh, do I have vinegar? Shit. Oh, I do. Okay. Whew. I'm about to say crap. So yeah, gonna make this, put it in the oven. Now y'all, look at these pans, y'all. I have old pans, old school pans. Now I actually bought new pans one time and it just did not work. Like, these are old school pans, so like my cake is gonna come out like lopsided-ish. It's gonna be 3-layer, but this is a good pan. The springboard one, the one that you can spring open. This is what you use to make cheesecake. So I thought I had 3. I do have 3. I don't know where the heck the other one is, so I'm gonna have to use this. So one gonna look real good, one part of it, other part gonna be leaning over. But honey, it's gonna taste good. Like these pans, like I think Chris' grandma gave us this like when we first freaking moved in here, like some old pans she had. But they work perfect for everything, y'all. Like, I don't care. It's gonna taste good. So I'm gonna make that for him, and I'm making your daddy's cake, so you better relax. You're not gonna relax for daddy. I tried to show y'all her outfit, but she was ready to go to bed. So I got her ready for bed. You doing okay? She's sleepy. She probably want another bottle, even though she just had one like not too long ago. So y'all, my poor husband. So I'm freaking making the cake, then I'm like, oh shoot, I'm looking at the icing recipe. I don't have enough confectioner sugar, because you got to use powdered sugar to make the cream cheese icing. So okay, he goes to Schnucks to go get some. All right, come back. Okay, I'm getting done with the cake. Put the cake in the oven. Yeah, while I look at I got everything ready, because you got to have your cream cheese and your butter, everything at room temperature. Okay, I'm getting everything ready. While I freaking look at the recipe, y'all, and it calls for 2 packs of cream cheese. Mind you, I make this freaking thing, like, I've made it like 10 times, I swear, in our whole marriage. I don't make it that often, but I make this freaking cake. I don't know how the heck I forgot that it calls for 2 packs of cream cheese. So he just went to the store again to get another pack. I feel bad. But anywho, I really need to work on some stuff for school. I have to do a paper. So it's 3 pages. I believe it's double spaced. Yeah, I mean, like most college papers are double spaced. So that's going to be nothing to get that done. So I'm going to go ahead and do that. We're going to watch the Chris Rock special that came on Netflix, y'all. Hello, my loves. Anybody know that reference? Anywho, so doing that, I'm having a really good day. Like, I've been coming to some revelations today, you all, to just live my freaking life, enjoy my life as it is, because I do. Every day I live my dream. Like, I enjoy my life. So doing that, you all. Baby girl is in freaking 6-month clothing. 6 months. She can wear some 0 to 3, And then for the most part, she do 3 to 6. So, and she's so long. So anyways, she been sleeping good. I need to do my paper, and then I gotta go to work tomorrow. So we gotta do some stuff tomorrow in the morning. Probably run some errands with the baby. I don't know how I'm gonna do that. We gonna see how that work. But yeah, I think I'm gonna sign off very soon, you all. Make sure you freaking look at the recipe before you go out and go grocery shopping. Is she waking up? What you doing, Maddie? Maddie. Madison. Look at that baby about to crawl. That baby about to crawl. It's too early. Too early to be crawling, Madison. You gonna look at everybody? You gonna slob all over your head? Look at my green jacket.
Start putting it on the leg. Where you green jacket? Oh, you heard?
Yeah. I thought I did. Look at my baby got 6-month clothing on. And she 3 months. Yeah, baby, thick. Here, put your arms up, boo-boo. That's what you gotta do. You gotta put them arms up. There you go, Maddie. You look at mommy. Look at mommy.
It's not in your green jacket.